We'll guide you through how to find the logging in QR code on Outlook. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So the logging in QR code makes it really convenient in order to go and log in on a phone. So I've got the Outlook app already open. So let's go and say I go and press on add account. Then it says it's found this one here, but I'll press skip anyway for this guide. And you can go and see here it says sign in using the QR code on your computer. So you can click here and let's go and see, then press scan and press allow. The camera opens up and now you're wondering, where can you go and find the QR code on your computer? Well, we're going to guide you through how this can be done. Make sure this full guide to the different ways it can be done. We're guiding you through doing this whether you use the Outlook app on your computer or whether you're using the Outlook website. It's quite similar, but we're still going to guide you through both. So without any further ado, let's go and get started. So to go and get started on the computer, I've actually got the Outlook app open. But if I go and open up my browser, you can see I've got Outlook in the browser as well. So if you're on the app, what you need to do is go to the top and you can go and press help in the ribbon and you'll see the option Outlook mobile and you want to go and click there. Then it'll go and open up in a web browser and you've got a QR code here. Alternatively, on a web browser, it's very similar. Go and press help at the top and you'll see the option Outlook mobile, which you can click on and you'll get a pop-up and the QR code then appears. So then what we can do is we can go and scan the QR code like so. I'll go and press cancel there regarding the passkey. And like that, you're now successfully logged in on the mobile. As you can see, I can access the inbox and I can now go and use the email on my phone, which is really convenient. If you found this useful, then leave a like.